So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and basically use the Untitled application for your music app. Now doing this is very basic, and this application is very interesting because it looks very beautiful, and I'll show you exactly how to use it. Number one, you want to go inside of your App Store or your Google Play Store, and you want to download this application. So go inside of one of those stores, and all you're going to want to do is just download this app as you normally would. Then what you're going to want to do is you want to click on the Open button. So this will allow you to open up this application. So then when you're ready, this is what the application will look like after you set it up. It's going to ask you just to log into an account and create an account, pretty basic, stuff from any application. And then you'll come into the application itself. Now I'm going to click on here just because that kind of annoys me. Now what you're going to want to do is at the very top, it's just going to have this Untitled logo. It's nothing crazy. You're going to have your notification draw right here. So if you get any notifications inside of the application or anything like that, all that information will come up right here. Tapping back out, you'll have a little search button. So if you want to search for anything within your library, you can go and add music and add songs inside of this particular portion right here. And then you can go through and just use this app as you normally would from this side. So you can search for certain songs, you can search for certain things that you've added in. And that's another thing you can do here too. Hopping back out, you'll have your profile icon right here. So this will show you your, basically your name, your username, some other things within this application as well, whether you have a plan or a free plan using Face ID. So you have that type of option here too of kind of setting it up. Now this is where you can have all your songs at. So if you want to add a song, you can click on Add Audio, and it's going to open up your Files application. You can only input songs that are from your Files app. If they're on your iCloud or something like that, you can also bring them in. But kind of keep that in mind. If you're wanting to bring in songs, they have to be from your iCloud, or they have to be within your Files application of your iPhone. So you can airdrop yourself files and you can bring them in that way. When you're ready, you can go and click on Open, and it will go ahead and allow you to go ahead and basically, see this song. And you can share this snippet out if you want to. In this case, I'll just skip it. Now, when you bring in a song, you can go ahead and name it whatever you want to. So if you want to name this song, you can go and name this song whatever you want to, it doesn't matter. Click on Done. You can also tap on this icon right here if you want to change the cover. So if you want to change the cover of the song, you can tap here and you can go and bring up the camera and you can go and bring in whatever photo you want to, and then you can choose it as your cover photo right there. So you can click up here and you can click Done, and then you can go and add tracks inside of it. So I just added a track. So this would be like a sample of like an album cover or something like that. So then when I'm ready, I'm basically ready to go. I can even copy a link if I want to, I think, or make it private or invite only or public. And then from here, I can top back out, and now I have my song here. So now I can go through and I can go ahead and basically click on here and it'll show me my songs, and I can just keep doing this. So if you want to, you can also go through and you can like modify it. You can drop to pin it if you want to. You can add more songs by clicking up here, and you can add an audio. You can add, you can convert, you can record, you can add a new project. There's a lot of cool things that you have here. But if you want to add more songs to a different project, you can click Add, click on a new project down here, and you can just keep adding songs and keep adding projects. So it's like a really nice music player you can make, and it is a really nice type of layout. But that's basically how you use the Untitled music application. It's pretty basic. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.